Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, AMCA development and production model. MOD, that is Indian Ministry of Defense, has revised its plans for the AMCA fighter jet program, opting for a new model involving 2 development cum production partners. This revised approach aims to ensure a competitive and efficient development and production process for the advanced 5th generation fighter jet. Next, Japanese F-2 in Tarang Shakti exercise. The Japan Air Self-Defense Force is set to make a historic visit to India with 2 Mitsubishi F-2 fighter jets. The F-2s will be participating in the Indian Air Force inaugural multilateral exercise Tarang Shakti. This is a rare occurrence for the JASDF, as F-2s are not frequently seen at international air exercises. The Mitsubishi F-2 is a multi-role fighter derived from the General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon, and it's manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and Lockheed Martin specially for the JASDF. Next, RFI issued for anti-UAS high-power microwave. The Ministry of Defense has issued a request for information for the procurement of the anti-UAS high-power microwave Mark II system. This advanced system is being sought by the Indian Army to address the evolving threat posed by unmanned aerial systems, including those operating in swarm configuration. This system is envisioned to be a comprehensive solution with capabilities in surveillance, detection, tracking, and neutralization of hostile UAS. Next, RD-93MA for Tejas Mk1A. In 2020, the United Engine Corporation announced the development and testing of a new turbofan engine, the RD-93MA. This engine is an improved variant of the RD-93, which currently powers the JF-17 Thunder, the mainly multi-role fighter of the Pakistan Air Force. The RD-93MA offers several advancements over its predecessors, including increased thermodynamic parameters, an improved fan design, and an advanced automatic power plant control system. Next, Hermes 900 Starliner drones. The Indian Army's long-awaited Hermes 900 Starliner drones, ordered from Adani Defense, appear to be fully ready for deployment. Recent images from Adani Defense showcase the drones in their final stages of preparation. The Hermes 900 Starliners, designated IA-901, was initially scheduled to be handed over to the Army in May. However, the delivery was postponed for undisclosed reasons. Once deployed at the Bhatinda base, the drones will provide crucial surveillance capabilities along the western border with Pakistan. Next, 2 Keralites were arrested for leaking shipyard secrets to Pakistan. The National Investigation Agency (NIA) has arrested 2 Malayalis employed as contract workers at Cochin shipyard for allegedly leaking sensitive information about Visakhapatnam shipyard to Pakistani spies. The arrests followed extensive raids conducted by the NIA at Cochin shipyard on Wednesday. Thank you.